Hi, my name is Emily of I'm a senior at Greenville University, and I'm going to take you on a tour through my apartment. These apartments are called Tower, and they're on campus for upper division, so join me. And welcome. So now we've entered into our apartment, and this is our living room. So it's me, my sister, and two other people who live here, so we all kind of chipped in, bought furniture for the living room. Have a nice little balcony out here, and then this is our kitchen and little dining room. So we also bought the table and chairs for this. Pretty much everything else came in here though. Got a nice little stove to cook, wash some dishes, got a nice fridge. So yeah, pretty spacious, and that's like a little pantry back there. Then we walk down the hall, and this is our bathroom. What's up? So yeah, we have a shower in here, little tub. Pretty nice if you ask me. And then that is our suite mate's room. This is my room. There's my sister, aka roommate. Yeah, we've decorated the place with lots of stuff. Brought our mini fridge, fan. We both have our own desk, and then that's our closet. Thanks for tagging along with me. Hope you guys enjoyed.